going down.
On today's video, we're going to be hunting this army of dinosaurs with this NERF gun. There's some darts in here. Open them.
A bunch of them here. Look at all those darts.
1, 2, 4, 5.
Okay, we got it put together. Got it loaded. Elijah, do you do the honors? Shoot it right at the wall. We're gonna try it out.
Oh, so you have to hit them and then let it go.
Wow. Well, there's one mag, two mag. That blew through those pretty quick, didn't it?
But good thing we still have some extra darts.
All right, let's reload and try again. Okay, before we get started on the hunting, we're gonna do some target practice, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we got the gun. Got to reload the magazines right here. Quick, you start reloading. We're gonna do some target practice on this guy right here. So this is the NERF double punch.
NERF double punch.
Slam that thing. Good job. All right, let's see if you can hit him. You hitting him? Keep going. You gotta aim at him, buddy. Round 2, right? These little 10-round magazines, they go very quickly. Hold that trigger down. Nice. Nice. All right. Let's see. We got second round here. Can you hit him? Aim higher. Aim higher.
Bit hard.
All right, here we go. We moved him a little bit closer this time. The target practice T-Rex. Eli is reloading. Oh, a little higher, bud, a little higher. All right, Eli's got this cool Minecraft hammer.
I got.
We're gonna see if we can hit the dinosaur with that. Ready? Set. Click. This dinosaur is standing strong. You can't hit him.
Let's try this one.
Hope we get a bigger one. There we go. Let's get a bigger one.
Get bigger and light. Bigger but a bit heavier.
There we go. Oh, he looks pretty angry. All right. 1, 2.
Hunt some dinosaurs.
You got like.
Let's go hunt some dinosaurs.
Eli, radio check. Can you hear me? Over.
I can hear it. Over.
We're on our way. Over.
Okay. Over.
Hello, who is it?
Eli, we're overrun in the basement by dinosaurs. We need your help now.
Okay, I'm on my way. Gotta grab my gun. Okay, I'm ready to go. Okay, I'm on my way to go hunt some dinosaurs. Gotta hurry. I'm out! Oh, here's the hammer. I can grab this one. Miss. Got one. Got knocked 2. Oh, there's some not steady ones. Come on.
Get the hammer. All right, here's the endo. He missed. Try again. Try again. Boom. He's still up. There we go.
I'm hitting him.
That was a successful mission. Good job. All right, now we have another problem.
What?
We have an Indoraptor that eats Nerf bullets.
Evidently they eat lead. Get him on the chop.
Dad can feed him it, and then he'll die. He'll get so fat he'll never build a walk.
Maybe, I don't know. Should we go try?
Yeah.
All right, let's load up. Nice. Indoraptor. He's eating all the bullets. We have the very angry Indoraptor. But what does he eat?
Nerf darts.
And fire. Good shot. Got the engine, catch up. There you go, fire. I think we got them all in. Did we get them all in or did one bounce out? And fire. Good shot. Got the engine, catch up. There you go, fire. I think we got them all. Okay, open them up. Let's see how many you got in. Look at all those coming out of there.
Is there some in there?
Maybe. Yeah, they're still falling out. Okay, let's count them. 1,
Oh wait, no, still more.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, the gun only shoots 20.
Dad.
So I think we had some left over from the last round. It's not going down. There he is. Oh, just knocked them all over.
That one's pretty much wrong.
Yeah, he's not going. All right, final challenge of today. Eli is gonna take the double punch and try to knock this mean looking dinosaur over right there. All right, let's clear everything out of the way.
Get out of the way, darts.
Here's your weapon. Don't miss.
I won't.
Aim higher, Elijah. What's wrong with it? I don't think it's supposed to be making that noise. It looks like one of them is jammed in there. Okay, fix the jam.
Fix the jam.
Now we're gonna unload on this guy. He's still standing, Elijah. Oh, he got him. He got him. He got him. That is fun.
That's all we have for today, guys. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. See you later.